Hello and welcome to the second lecture of Power BI Desktop. So in today's lecture we will understand two things. First was the two environments of Power BI Desktop, and then I'm going to provide all the data that we need during this course. We have front end and back end. This is the two distinctive environment within the Power BI Desktop. The back end, this is where we're using the Power Query Editor. This to clean our data before we go to reporting and dashboard. Is used to connect the data with multiple data source, Excel, SharePoint, any online resource, extract and clean data, transform and shape tables, also to merge or append queries. So it is the data preparation stage. In here we prepare the data. In here we prepare and clean the data, we remove the duplicate, we check, we convert the column type from one type to another, for example from numbers to string or character. We can remove the spaces, so it's the preparation stage. And then we have the front end. This is for data model and reporting view. Build data model and relationship, create, calculate columns, measuring with data analysis expressions, design and publish reports. So it is the analysis and visualization stage. So backend, the Power Query Editor is the first thing that we need to do. So I got Power BI software opened. So the first thing you need to save your file. Click on here and save as your file. I save it already with my desktop. You can keep desktop and give any name for your project. I already did. I saved my project like Ala project. You can name it any name as you like and save it with your desktop whatever you like. So after you save, I'm gonna provide you the data in here. So this is all the data that we need during this course. I'm gonna keep the download link in the description below, so you need to download the data first. This is all the data that we are working with in this course, including files, the raw data, all the things, images, and other resources, so anything you will find in here. We have the first of all get the data. These are all the data type we can connect to and get our data from. Power BI is so powerful tool. You can connect to files, example Microsoft CSV file. Within our course we will focusing on CSV file and gonna provide all the CSV file. So CSV file is easy to manipulate and work on. You can extract or get your data from database if you have SQL Server query or MySQL and etc. We have also Microsoft Fabric. This is Power BI semantic model, data flow, Power BI platform, Power BI data flow. So also we have Azure SQL developer. So anything online service, SharePoint, Microsoft Exchange Online, these all the data type that we can connect to and get your data from. It is very rich and is not limited to one data type. Either online services you can connect to any data type and get your data from. But in this course we are gonna just focusing to get the CSV file. And then I'm gonna go for adventure work raw plus data. First of all, for example, go for adventure work territory lookup on the data, and here we have the file origin. This is the delimiter since is the CSV file, so I'll give you options. If the columns are separated by a comma, so we use the comma. If are separated by any different type, you can fix them. So with the comma, you keep it with a comma. We also have data type detections. This is based on the rows number. We have two options. Either we upload the data directly to the interface of Power BI Desktop, or transform data, and this is what the first thing we are going to do: transform data to Power Query Editor. Within the Power Query Editor, this is the first step that we need to work on to clean our data, prepare our data for analysis and visualization. From here, you can go click on Save, and I can give him this on my desktop. Gonna give him the name. So Power Query Worksheet, save with my desktop, and then apply. So I saved all my data within my desktop. I have Power Query Worksheet. Okay, so this is all you need to do in this lecture. We are going step by step. Don't forget to download the resources and the data that we are going to work on in this during this course. Download the data, and then we are going step by step. So thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.